It's really thick density. So this one just needs like okay, let's move this one away so it doesn't look too busy for all of you. Look how it looks cute though. Look, my silver hidden in here. And make sure you do your no wet top coat. The glitter looks cool though. You can see the silver underneath too. That's the, just keep in mind this is the base, like I doing like have a natural base, but if you're using other colors underneath, it's gonna be really cool and stand out. I like that one. I dropped something. I am going to, this is the Scarlet's Red, I think. Oh my god, I can see myself. I'm gonna blink this all out. Like completely. Now I'm gonna using my gold beads. If you don't have gold beads, it's okay. You just want a mix bag. That's how I love the mix bag. It had everything in there, even though it's had not a lot as you select individual, but it's had quite a lot of selections elements in here that you can place with. I've been using this mix bag for before the other live videos that we did, like last 2 live videos. I used that before as well, so I have all different collections of a mix bag. Really pleased with this. Also, this come in your treasure box, summer treasure box as well. It's really simple crystal placement you can achieve with. You know what? It's how you're feeling like every single day is going tuning to a live video. I appreciate you all so much. I'm getting to the point that I'm really addicted to get to see everyone's every day. And I feel like what I'm gonna do for a live today, because we have so many products that I can't wait to, like, we'll have to like cycle, go through them one browse, go back again, unless we have more requests for it. I'm still want to do that, the dollars stickers and stuff for live also asking for. Oh, but today Sarah did really beautiful, the dollars I think charm she put it on. It's really stunning, so cute.
All right, we'll be right back.
It's N?
Yeah.
And you didn't know?
I got it.
Oh, okay. Interesting. Look at this one, is so cute. All right, so I'm gonna key this.